Imagine that voice inside your mind, the one that points out every mistake, every flaw, every reason to doubt yourself. You know the one. It speaks quietly, often before you've had the chance to think. Today, you don't have to fight that voice. Just notice it. Notice that it's there, but remember something important. That voice is not you. It's simply a habit your mind has learned over time. And just like any habit, it can change. Imagine turning the volume of that inner critic down, just a little. It doesn't disappear, it simply becomes quieter. In its place, another voice begins to grow, a calmer voice, a kinder voice. That voice says, "You're learning. You're doing better than you think. You don't have to be perfect to be worthy." Let those words settle into your heart. Every mistake you've made has taught you something. Every setback has helped shape your strength. You're not defined by your worst moments. You are defined by your willingness to keep moving forward. So today, choose to speak to yourself the way you would speak to someone you truly love, with patience, with compassion, with encouragement. Because the relationship you have with yourself sets the tone for every other part of your life. Take one more slow breath in, and as you exhale, quietly repeat to yourself, "I release harsh judgment. I choose kindness. I am growing every single day." Carry that thought with you today. Each time your inner critic begins to speak, gently answer it with compassion instead of criticism. Little by little, thought by thought, you're creating a new pattern, a healthier one, a stronger one, a kinder one. And with every passing day, that supportive voice becomes a little more natural and a little more powerful. Thank you for practicing with me today. Like and subscribe. Until next time.